Good morning. Today is the second day of moving into my little flat. I'm up bright and early. I'm currently in the car, as you can probably tell. I'm actually in the Ikea car park, so I'm super excited. That is our plan for this morning, to tackle Ikea. Honestly, I'm a little bit worried that it's going to be packed and it's going to be a very stressful experience, but fingers crossed it's not. I do find Ikea a very hit or miss experience. It's either great and super fun, or it's awful and it's packed and I just want to leave straight away. So we will see what sort of experience it's like this morning. But yeah, I'm super excited to pick up a few bits. I don't really have that much furniture yet for my flat. I've got that sofa that I picked up yesterday, and then I've also got a bed, and other than that I think that's it. So I'm hoping to get maybe some like storage, maybe some drawers, maybe some decor bits. I don't know, I'm just excited to have a little bit of a look around and hopefully make the most of coming up here. So I feel like I have to get at least something from Ikea. We'll probably also eat here because it's only 10 o'clock and I'm already very peckish. And then this afternoon I think we're going to be taking over another carload of stuff to my flat, unpacking a little bit more, and also having like a deep clean of the flat, because even though it's like a fairly clean and like recently decorated flat, it's still just a bit grimy. I just want to spray everything, scrub it clean before I move in, and also because it's had so much like stuff done to it, there's like dust and paint stuff and whatever. So gonna have a good old clean up this afternoon, and then hopefully by tomorrow my flat will be coming together a little bit more and I'll have most of my stuff in it. But for now I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go and try and tackle Ikea the best I can. This looks so good. I am so ready for this, and it was only £1.75, which is such a bargain. Oh my goodness, this is my third breakfast this morning, but you know, no regrets. I'm gonna have a busy day, so I feel like I'm gonna need all of the food I can get, and I'm literally so excited for this. Ooh, I love that wallpaper. These are all going to be too big, aren't they? 74 by 74. That would fit. I mean, I don't particularly like it, but it would fit. We are now 3 hours down. I'm feeling so tired. We're currently in like the picture frame bit and I just can't be bothered to even look because I'm too tired. We're in the like marketplace section currently, so we still have to go and pick up the furniture. And our trolley is already pretty packed, so we will see how that goes, see if we can fit everything in the car. But I think I'm just about ready to go now. We just managed to squeeze so much stuff into my mum's car. It is honestly impressive because we thought we were going to have to pay for delivery. We had so much stuff, and she's only got a mini, but somehow we managed to make it all fit. So that's definitely good news. Saved ourselves 35 quid there, which is always great. We are now headed back inside, I think, to get a cup of tea and maybe a donut. Apparently the donuts here are vegan, which is very exciting and definitely very much needed right now. We are both so tired and so both in desperate need of a drink and a sit down. I'm not sure if we're even going to manage to get back to the flat at some point today because I think we're going to be too tired, but we will see. I'm so excited for this. Now it's time for dessert. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. We have finally managed to get everything that we bought in Ikea up the stairs into my flat. That was more exhausting than I expected it to be. Some of these pieces, like in here I've got, I think one of these is my dining table and then another one is my chest of drawers. These were so heavy, like so heavy, but we managed it. We got them up. This room is looking quite the state. Still got that half built, well not even built, completely taken apart sofa. My mum is very excited to build that tomorrow because she loves building Ikea furniture, so that will be dealt with tomorrow. And then we've just got kind of stuff everywhere at the moment. There's stuff in here as well. This was actually one of my favourite purchases today. I think it is so cute. and I've decided to go for like a little bit of baby pink in my bedroom, which isn't really like me at all, but I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna see how it goes. But yeah, I think we're gonna call that a day on house stuff because we are both very tired. We've spent a long time in the car and a long time traipsing around Ikea, so both ready to go home. I think we might even be popping to Home Bargains on the way home, which how we're gonna have the energy for that, I don't know, but I need to pick up some cleaning products, and I've heard that they stock Astonish there, which is like a cruelty-free vegan cleaning product brand. So I want to get some stuff from that so I can clean my flat tomorrow, because still is a little bit grimy. It still needs a bit of a wipe down. So I think we're going to go home via Home Bargains and then go home properly and relax a little bit, maybe, hopefully. I think we've also got some like admin stuff to do with the house as well this evening. Like I have to fill out my inventory again, I think, because I have 2 to fill out, so gonna do that this evening as well. But yeah, for now I'm excited to leave this flat and just chill for a little bit, because honestly carrying everything up the stairs has made me so tired. It is now the next day and I didn't end up finishing the vlog yesterday. Basically, we left my flat, we came back here for like 10-15 minutes, then we went to Home Bargains. I got a kitchen bin, which is good because I didn't have one of those. I also got the cleaning products that I needed, and then we went to my nan's, visited her for a little bit. Then we went to Zzz's for dinner because by this point it was like 8 o'clock. We were both starving, both didn't want to cook, and my mum had some like Tesco vouchers to use up there anyway. So we went to Zzz's. It was probably like the quickest Zzz's meal experience I've ever had. We literally went in, sat down, ate and left all within like 45 minutes, I think. Like it was very speedy. I tried their new 4-cheese vegan pizza, which was good. I probably wouldn't have it again. It was quite a strong flavour. I think it was the blue cheese was pretty strong, so probably wouldn't order it again. We also got their like seasonal special cheesecake, which was also vegan. I think it was like caramelised biscuit cheesecake. We got that to take away with us and it was so good. That is definitely something I recommend and definitely something I would get again. I think it was almost like those Lotus biscuits, like Biscoff in it, and it was just so tasty, literally the best thing ever. So that's what we did. We came home, ate that, and then I just crashed. I did a Tesco delivery order which I actually find quite fun, so I just sat on my phone doing that, which should be delivered today. And yeah, then I went to bed. So that was kind of the rest of my evening yesterday. I was planning on showing you all the bits that I got from Ikea in this vlog, but then I just didn't have the time to while we were at the flat. So if you're interested in what I got from Ikea, let me know in a comment down below and I can do another video on that. I have already filmed one sort of like homeware haul with everything I've bought so far, which will probably either be up already or will be posted fairly soon. So I didn't obviously include all the Ikea stuff in that, but I can do a separate haul of Ikea stuff because I definitely got enough for a video in its own right. I got so much stuff yesterday, it's a little bit ridiculous. I wasn't expecting to get quite that much. But yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here and I'm going to start the next vlog because today we are doing more moving. I need to actually pack up my room today because I think this will be the last time I'm in it for a little while. Need to get everything out, need to try and fit everything in the car once again, so we will see how that goes. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!